What is that? Anyway, it is very hard for me to come up with a different thing to talk about every single day. So I'm gonna leave it up to you. What kinds of stuff do you want me to talk about in these vlogs? So, you see that right there? My guitar, moving it back downstairs. Mainly because the back room needs to be cleaned out. I know I've been saying that for weeks, but if I move stuff from the back room to downstairs, then it can clean it out a bit more, and then I can clean it out better. Boxer, get upstairs. Bootsy. It's Bootsy. See, that's you. Yeah. That's you. No, you're... it's going off of the camera. Bootsy. She's so beautiful. Cute little cow-colored cat. How can you tell that I'm bored? Nothing to do today. I was just downstairs playing my guitar. I've got an app called Yousician, Yousician, and it's actually a pretty good tool for practicing and getting your notes right. So, yeah. Plus, you know, that plus all the music that they play at work. Like the cooks have their own little set of music, and the other dishwasher that I work with has some really weird, funky music that he plays. And it's actually wanting me, you know, making me want to record more music. I just need a better computer, better software, and I need to practice my guitar more. A lot more. So this app that I got is actually helping a lot. The only problem is you get to play for a bit and then it kicks you out for 12 hours. So you got to wait 12 hours before you play again, which isn't too bad because I can just go down there again tomorrow and play. But yeah, other than that, it's a great app. I like it. I think it's awesome. And yeah, so hopefully soon, possibly either by the end of this year or by this time next year. Okay, that's what we'll do. By this time next year, expect at least one more $5 joke album. Okay? You ready? Are you down for that? Answer below. A lot can change in a couple minutes. This just started. It just like boom, hit us like wow. There's hail and rain and everything. Crazy shit right here. It's the next door neighbor's house. I think it's annoying being in the video. And look at all that water coming from their east side. Wow.